Hasni Surgical, based in Sialkot, Pakistan, is a renowned manufacturer and exporter of surgical instruments. With a strong focus on quality and precision, the company has built a reputation for producing high-quality instruments that meet the needs of medical professionals around the world. Founded in 1990, Hasni Surgical has grown steadily over the years, expanding its product range and customer base. The company's state-of-the-art manufacturing facility is equipped with the latest technology and machinery, allowing them to produce a wide range of surgical instruments, including forceps, scissors, needle holders, and more. Hasni Surgical is committed to meeting the highest standards of quality and safety in all of its products. The company's team of skilled craftsmen and technicians work tirelessly to ensure that each instrument meets the strictest quality control standards before it is shipped to customers. The company's dedication to innovation and continuous improvement has helped them establish a strong presence in the global market, with customers in countries around the world relying on their instruments for their surgical needs. In conclusion, Hasni Surgical is a trusted name in the surgical instrument industry, known for its commitment to quality, precision, and customer satisfaction.